Hey, it's Wesley of Blue Marine. We're on the water today at the Shilshole Bay Marina, and we have the ePropulsion Spirit 2 with us. We are excited to get this on the water and do our first demo with it. This represents 10 years of evolution with ePropulsion's work on the Spirit. And we're going to show you today how it mounts, get it on the water, put it through its paces, and then tell you what we think about the performance. Let's take a ride. All right, we are on the water. We've got the Spirit 2 mounted up. It's gonna get away from you here. We're gonna take it out and just kind of check the general maneuverability, see how the throttle responds, come by at a more like a high-speed passive full output, and finally test out the sport mode. Let's go. Smooth throttle, really responsive. That's full output right there. Feels great. That's fun. Yeah. Kind of like you feel the output right away and it ramps up really like at a nice level. I like the feedback. It gives you a little beep when you engage the mode. Yeah. And then also like into reverse. That was not there on the previous model. In general, the feel of it is very in line with the original Spirit, which had a really nice feel. Yeah. So that was it on the water. We're gonna take this back to the shop and we'll have some more thoughts for you when we get back. All right, we're back in the shop after being on the water with the new ePropulsion Spirit 2. This was my first time being hands-on with the motor and I had a really good time. Wanted to share some of my first impressions and give you a close-up on what some of those features look like in person. So this was the first time that I've had my hands on the motor, the first time being on the water with it. And I really liked the feel and the responsiveness. If you had any time with the Spirit 1, it stays true to a lot of really what made that motor great. The throttle was smooth and responsive, consistent power as you ramp up. Really intuitive. Some of the new features are really designed thoughtfully. The tiller handle extends and tilts. So no matter where I was sitting in the boat, it felt comfortable. And that's been an issue with some motors that we've been on the water with. The color display was really easy to read. I also really enjoyed the little bit of audio feedback you get as you engage the different modes. So from forward, neutral, and reverse, you could hear a beep, which was a little bit more intuitive and easy to use, especially like in navigating in close spaces. And I mean, more than anything, that sport mode was so much fun. It was already going like noticeably, like the output was really good. Hit that sport mode and just that instant acceleration, feeling that was really cool. A couple other things that I really liked. The battery is redesigned. There is no cables to connect. So it is as simple as this. And then it locks in place. A little bit different, but there's a portable power station up here, USB-C, that you can connect your devices to. The battery needs to be turned on with a long push. See that flash, that feedback there? And then you can turn the actual motor on. Among the other new features, the kind of the redesign, the props got a whole new look and feel. Thanks so much for checking out our first experience with ePropulsion Spirit 2 on the water. This is available for pre-order now. It's expected to start shipping mid-May. If you're in the Seattle area, we'd love for you to stop by and check it out in person. Other than that, if you have any questions, hit us up. We'd love to talk.